everybody! My recent video probably you saw when I went to Mexico. I made a lunchbox and main side dish was Spanish mackerel, kind of brownish, and then I added this and plus spinach. So 3 color, really different color. It's a kind of standing out, stunning color. You make Korean food party and put some side dishes on the table and already looks good. But sometimes like a galbijjim, japchae, color is a little bit brownish on the table. So you like to make it kind of one dish and then make everything stand out. That's all I'm talking about today. Yangbaechu-pickle. Today we make this recipe with cabbage. You guys also can make with radish. This one is I made just yesterday, and this one is 1 week ago I made. Red color coming from beet. Soft and crunchy. First thing I have to do is I'm gonna make this brine. Let's make brine. I cut off my cheesecloth here. Look at this. Ginger and beet. This beet is maybe 3 ounces, but I don't need to use all, just around 2 ounces. Okay, I'm using this amount. Look at this, around a 1/4 cup. And ginger. Let's make a knot. Half cup water, 2 teaspoons salt. This is apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon. Just squeeze out, you see? Couple of times I did it, but look at the color changing. So all this dark and strong colors it went into the brine. So when you taste this, very sour and salty. Oh, I want some sweet sour pickle. Then add sugar, 1 or 2 tablespoons sugar. Now cabbage, we gotta do cabbage. So let's shred this. Some leftover, some leaves. Key point is we gotta shred very nicely. See? Exactly, I'm going to make 8 ounces. Leftover this cabbage, all this nutritious, same cabbage. Don't throw away. And what I'm doing is cut and then wash and then steam. After that, mixing with some Korean soup soy sauce and garlic and lots of sesame oil and chopped green onion mixing, and really nice. Just a simple way. Okay, and then now we have to wash this. This guy mixing together, that's pickle. Easy, eh? So I'm going to take it out this. I use my hand, squeeze. Even I can smell ginger. And put the cabbage here. So nice, beautiful. If we use radish or daikon, cut into matchsticks and use the same method. I showed you how to make Yangbaechu-pickle. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.